Hi guys, it's Scott and Pat here with the Gator Garage. We're here to talk to you about aftercare and maintenance with your Alloygators.
The guide that Scott just showed you is something that we provide. All we really want to talk about are the simple responsibilities that a driver of a vehicle should do on their own. Everybody does it on a regular basis. They do a walk around on their vehicle before they go out on a journey, whether it be short or long. But actually, according to manufacturers, you should be doing a walk around on your vehicle at minimum once a week. And you should be looking for things like damage on the side of your car, things that aren't fitting appropriately, and that would include accessories such as Alloygators on your wheels. The other area that is a responsibility of the driver is when you're washing your vehicle, you should be washing your vehicle on a regular basis according to what your manufacturer's manual says, using detergents that aren't caustic, so it will not cause color damage to the Gator, but it also won't damage the surface of your wheels.
And if you do end up having an impact on your Gators, make sure you are going to do a walk around of your vehicle. You should be doing walk arounds all the time, as Pat said, but especially if you have an impact, you just want to make sure that it hasn't dislodged the Gator. If you do have an impact and you notice that it's coming loose, or even if it hasn't, we do recommend going back to your installer, have it looked at. If it has come loose and over time, as that wheel's rolling, it's pushing on the Gator more and more, it could push it out farther. So you just want to go back to your installer, have it either refitted or replaced as necessary by them. So for more tips on aftercare and maintenance, please see our website, alloygator.com. If you have questions, please comment below. Thanks again for watching. Later, Gators.